Bakit ho Janice de Belen day bukas dito sa GMA7? Because she stars in both Magpakailanman and Wish Ko Lang.
I know!
Wow!
Oh my God! Kahit ako na-shock, totoo ba?
Okay. Saan yung may, you fall in love with a younger man?
That is for Wish Ko Lang.
That's really cute. I caught that sa TikTok po. Ito ba yung may gripo?
Yes, yan yung may gripo, oo.
Ang cute mo doon.
Do you know that it was quite... Nag-isip ako eh. Tinanggap ko kasi I like working with Direk Adolf.
Okay.
I like working with him. So if I like working with you, pagka sinabi mong guest, oo, kaagad ako. Tapos nung nabasa ko yung script, sabi ko, kaya ko pa ba ito? Kasi medyo, oh my God, kaya ko pa ba to? Medyo baka weird na, yung medyo nakakadiring tingnan. Yun yung di ba? Yung totoo lang, yung talaga inisip ko, baka naman sabihin nila nakakadiri naman to si Janice.
Okay.
So sabi ko, kaya ko pa ba to? So pinag-isapan namin ni Adolf, relax lang, kalma lang. So,
I love that scene.
di ba?
Oh,
so dapat konti lang, wag OA.
Oo, yung I like that tension. Gusto ko yung nahawakan ka na, 'di ba? Would you fall in love with somebody as young as Alex? 'Di ba? Is that Alex in the scene?
Alex Diaz, yes.
Oo, Alex Diaz is there.
May
Congratulations.
limitasyon naman ako, Tita Boy.
May limitasyon
May
ka.
limitasyon
Kailangan hanggang ditong edad.
Hanggang dito lang.